Exercise 5.1 seventh sum. If the circle of area 9 by and the two diameters along the line is x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Find the equation of the circle. So we denote the circle area is 9 by and two diameters is x plus y and x minus y. First you need to find the radius because they are giving the circle of area of the circle. You know very well about the area of the circle formula, that is by r square is equal to 9 by. Then by and by cancel, then r square equal to 9, therefore r is equal to 3, that is radius. So you draw the radius circle using the radius 3, and they are giving two diameters. It is going like this one and this one. You may say that this is x minus y is equal to 1, this is x plus y is equal to 5. We need to find center and find the equation of the circle, because we know the equation of the circle of the point of center, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Next we are using the two equations to find an x and y, that is the intersection of the two straight line, and it is also the center of the circle. So x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. We just add together, it will be cancelling automatically. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Where x is equal to 3 means substitute first equation, 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3, y is the value 2. Therefore, the center is 3, 2. If you know center and radius means, we may use the circle format of the equation, this equation, and substitute the value. X minus h 3 and y minus k value is 2. And r value radius 3 square, then a minus b the whole square, x square plus 9 minus 2ab 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 9, then x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 plus 4 plus 13 and minus 9 equal to 0. Then the remainder value 13 minus 9. So it will give 4 is equal to 0. That's all the answer. Some important tips for the next topic. Equation of the tangent and equation of the normal and point P. This is the point P. And this is the diameter. I mean, it is not a diameter is curved because it is not touching to the center. The Q is x2, x2, I mean x1 and y1, whatever it is. Because we may draw many lines from the point P like this, Q1, Q2, etc. If you draw like this, we may form the equation of the normal and the tangent. First you focus the tangent, then you may draw the normal. The tangent, the equation of the tangent at x1, y1 is x x1 plus y y1 plus g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. And the equation of the normal, note the equation, note the formula. And next one, condition, if the line y is equal to mx plus c is the tangent line of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So that is the equation of the tangent. For if they are giving the condition y is equal to mx plus c means we will write this one. Next, point of contact x1, y1 is plus or minus am by square root of 1 plus m square and minus or plus a by 1, I mean square root of 1 plus m square. That is the important points, and we will use these points. We will solve the next fourth sums. Exercise 5.1, 8th question, that is important question. If y is equal to 2 root 2x plus c is the tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16, find the value of c. Just before I told you, if they are giving these conditions means we have using that formula is c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. That is the condition when they are given the tangent y is equal to mx plus c and the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So you write first the condition. If y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, then c value is c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. That is the formula. First you indicate x square plus y square equal to a square. This is x square plus y square equal to 16, which means a is equal to a square equal to 16, then a value is 4. We gather the first value. Next m we need. Then use the given condition of slope line. That is y is equal to 2 root 2x plus c. We comparing y is equal to mx plus c. Here m value is 2 root 2. We need the second value. Now we substitute the formula and get the answer. The formula is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Then c square is equal to a value, that is 4 square and 1 plus m square, that is 2 root 2 the whole square. 16 into 1 plus 2, 4 into 2, that is 8. So 16 into 9. 16 into 9. Before that we having c square value because that is the square root value. Then we have to take, that is 4 into 3, 12. C is equal to root 2 into root 9. That is 4 into 3. Then c value is 12. That's all the answer. You copy that. Question number 9. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 equal to 0 at 2, 2. That is x1 and y1. First you write the equation of the tangent. It is x1 plus y1. Can you remember that? x1 plus y1. Then g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Then we need g and f from the given equation. According to the problem, we compare x square plus y square and 2gx, that is 2g is equal to minus 6 and 2f is equal to 6, then c is equal to minus 8. Here g value minus 3, so g value is minus 3, f value is plus 3. Then we substitute here, x1 value is 2 and y1 value also 2. So here x into x1, that is 2x. Then it is 2y plus g minus 3 and x2 plus x1, I mean x1 value 2 plus f value 3 and y plus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 2y and multiply the inner value, 2x plus 2y minus 3x minus 6 plus 3y plus 6 minus 8 equal to 0. Now 2x and 3x minus x, 2y 3y plus 5y minus 6 plus 6 cancel, minus 8 equal to 0, minus x plus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. We omitted minus, so we multiply minus on all the term, then x minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. That is the required answer for tangent. Next you find the normal value. Normal value, first you write the formula. Normal equation is y x1 minus xy1 plus g into y1 minus y1 minus f into x minus x1. Substitute the value and simplify it. Finally we have minus 5x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. So minus omitted, so multiply all the term into minus. We have 5x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. You complete the remainder sum from the exercise.